So hello guys, welcome to It's Bit 2. So today, as I said in the last video, we'll be learning how to make a presentation on Canvas. So this is a detailed video. If you haven't watched my last video yet, it is on top 3 websites for every college student. Do check it out, the link is in the description. Also the link is coming in the top right. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So now first go to your browser and type canva.com. Then sign up with your Google account or Facebook. Now I'll be showing some of my designs that I have personally made. So these are the thumbnails of my YouTube videos. You can go and check out in my channel if you want. So this is the thumbnail of one of my videos, how to make an app with no coding in 10 minutes. Go check it out, it will be very much helpful for you. So this is one of the presentations that I have made for a company. This is another template for the presentation. So now I'll be viewing you the presentation. You can present it by clicking the present icon. So this is the presentation that I made. I've simply chosen a template and then I've edited all the stuff in it. So don't worry, now I'll be showing you how to make a presentation like this. So for that, click on home, then write presentation. You will find plenty of options. Now select a template from here. There are so many attractive templates, you can choose any one from them. So let's see any attractive one. This one looks quite cool, so we'll be using this one for today's video. And the best part about using Canva is that you can get all these templates for free and you can show it and share it to anyone. So this is the palette. You can change the color of the icon that you can see over here. So I changed the yellow to blue. You can do it anything. So just select on the color and you can change its color to any particular color, any particular shade if you want to. For now I think it's good. You can also flip the image horizontally and vertically both. You can also edit this text. So I will be now showing you how to edit this text. So you just have to select it and just type. So I'll be writing presentation making with It's Bit 2. Now I will be changing this text also. So I'll be writing a YouTube tutorial. Sounds cool. I've changed it to left, center or right alignment. You can do it anything you want. Now I'll be changing the font. So it looks quite boring. So I have used this font. It looks quite attractive for me. So I have used this particular font. You can add pages, as many number of pages you want to add. You can add elements, photos, text, videos. You can also add the background of the image. So here my internet was a bit slow, so it took some time for me. So now I have added all the pages present in that template. So now I'll be changing this image to my particular image. I'll be removing the image over here. So now I'll be pulling an image from my downloads and bring it up on this presentation. Adjust the image size and align it to your text. I can also change the text below it. So I changed a few things over here, the images, and I kept the remaining things as it is. For now it looks good. You can also animate the text also and also change the background colors. You can change it. So I changed it over here to gray, pink, but white looks good over here, so I'll be keeping it white only. Let's check some colors. You can also animate the text over here. So here are plenty of options. So you can use the first 5 or 6 options for free. If you want the remaining, you have to purchase the premium Canva Pro. So I use this block one and the rise one. Now I'll be presenting it on the screen. So you can see as it is presented. It looks cool. So here are the different pages of the presentation. You can edit all the pages, you can change the text, you can change the images, you can change anything you want. So you can download it in a number of formats that are presented over here. You can download it in any format. So I will be downloading in the MP4 video format. You can do it in PDF, GIF or anything you want. You can also share a link so that people can view it. You can copy it and paste it via mail or WhatsApp and so that others can see it. And another important feature is that while downloading you can choose the number of pages or which pages particularly you want to download. So if you don't have a PC and still want to use it, so here is the Canva app. It's available on the Play Store. Download it. The link is in the description. So open the Canva app and then something like this will be appearing on your screen. Then search for presentation, and now again in the same way choose a template you want. In this case I will be choosing another template. Let's choose this one. You can see the pages over here and decide whether to choose or not. So just change the text over here. I personally feel that the PC version is a bit easier than the mobile version, and in the PC version you will get some additional features which are not always available on the mobile one. So I personally recommend to use the PC one. So after this you can share it on your WhatsApp or you can mail it to anyone, and yes, it's that much easy. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please share it with your friends so that they can also learn this, and subscribe to get more videos like this.